If your business's social media is feeling new or stuck, I'm going to give you my #1 tip for social media in 2020. And I'll already warn you, it's a little bit controversial, but it might be just the thing that your business needs. All right, let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help businesses grow their revenue using social media and simplify social media overall so you can keep up with it and get back to running the rest of your business. If that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And in this video, I'm going to share what I think is the best possible strategy for new and stuck businesses on social media this year. And before I tell you what it is, I'm going to tell you right now, it's controversial. I've spoken about this at conferences. People have gotten mad. You probably won't get mad about it, but it's happened. And I just want you to have that up front. So if your initial reaction is, that's stupid, that's crazy, at least hear me out till the end of the video while I explain why I think that. And the best strategy for new or stuck businesses on social media this year is to focus on one social media network. And the reason I say this is because you will grow way faster if you are one of the best people in your market or your industry on Facebook than if you are mediocre across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, whatever else. Now, usually at this point, people fall into one of two camps. Either one, are you crazy? If I'm only on Instagram, I'll miss out on so many potential people. Or two, business owners go, really? I could just do one? That's awesome. And the answer is yes.
Imagine it this way. Let's say you have 3 plants you're trying to grow. And by the way, spoiler alert, these plants are your social networks. So we got 3 plants and we want all of them to grow, right? So we get our watering can. Each plant requires 1 gallon of water per week. Unfortunately, water is a very valuable resource and you only have 1 total gallon of water per week for all 3 plants. So what are you going to do? Give them each 1/3 of a gallon each week? Because we know what happens if you do that, right? You end up with 3 dead plants. So let's look at the same example with social networks. So we've got our Facebook plant, our LinkedIn plant, and our Instagram plant. We want all of them to grow and thrive, right? So we get our watering can. But in this scenario, your limited resource isn't water, it's your very limited time. And this is what most small businesses that are feeling stuck with their social media are doing. They're dividing their time among multiple networks and they're getting little to no results, staying exactly where they are, or in a lot of cases, pretty much dying. So can we agree that when you spread a limited resource across too many things, none of them grow?
Now, the biggest argument I get when I say focus on one social media network is, why wouldn't I be on all the social media networks? They're free to use. Yeah, to an extent, but a lot of things are free. Standing on the side of the road, holding up a sign advertising your business, spinning a sign maybe, also free. Are you doing that? I'm guessing unless you own a mattress store, probably not. So the free argument, yes, they are free to use, but they take your time, and your time is valuable too. Many people say, well, I just use a tool like Hootsuite and I just post on all the social networks at one time. It doesn't take up that much time. But all the social media networks are so different. You can't just throw the same thing everywhere. It's kind of like designing a billboard and then putting it on the side of the highway and then showing your billboard on TV and then reading your billboard on the radio. Like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, they are all different. If you just blanket everything everywhere, you'll get it off your to-do list, but you're not going to get the results that your business deserves. Ultimately, it comes down to this. Which is going to bring you more business? If you are the best or one of the best in your industry or market on Instagram, or if you're just one of many in the sea of businesses across all the social networks. One more thing that's kind of alarming the first time you hear it, we are each bombarded with 9,000 brand and business and commercial messages every single day. So you're gonna stand out by just blanketing your message across the social networks or by going all in and doing a really good job on one social network. By the way, the second option is the right answer there. So how do you choose? How do you choose what social network you should be on for your business if you're gonna go all in on one? Well, I'm gonna be teaching a workshop soon, and if you are interested, you can get the link to it in the description of this video. Was this helpful to you? Let me know in the comments. Do you disagree with me? Let me know that too. I read every single comment. I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, give this video a like, consider sharing it with somebody else that needs to hear this message, and thank you for supporting 5 Minute Social Media. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.